Every technological revolution begins somewhere. Today, as artificial intelligence, semiconductors, and advanced manufacturing reshape the world, one nation is drawing unprecedented global attention: India. Global technology companies are expanding research, engineering, manufacturing, and digital infrastructure across multiple regions. India is becoming an important destination in this evolving technology landscape. One major reason is talent. India has one of the world's largest engineering and software workforces, supporting innovation across AI, electronics, software, and advanced technologies. But talent alone isn't enough. The next race is about building the technologies that power tomorrow, from semiconductor manufacturing to artificial intelligence infrastructure. Every smartphone, electric vehicle, AI server, and satellite depends on one tiny component: the semiconductor chip. Whoever builds the future's chips helps power the future itself. India is expanding its semiconductor ecosystem through manufacturing, chip design, packaging, research, and skilled engineering. The goal is to strengthen its role in tomorrow's global technology supply chain. Innovation doesn't come only from large corporations. Thousands of startups are developing solutions in artificial intelligence, fintech, healthcare, robotics, clean energy, and advanced software. At the same time, cloud computing, digital infrastructure, advanced manufacturing, and AI are accelerating transformation across industries, creating new opportunities for businesses and innovators alike. The future won't be defined by one invention alone. It will be shaped by nations that combine talent, technology, infrastructure, and innovation to solve global challenges. Competition is accelerating worldwide. Artificial intelligence, advanced manufacturing, semiconductors, and next-generation infrastructure are driving a new era of innovation across the global technology industry. India's future will depend on continued innovation, education, infrastructure, and execution. The investments happening today represent opportunities, while the long-term outcome will be determined by how successfully those opportunities are realized. The world is watching the next wave of innovation unfold. Whether it's artificial intelligence, semiconductors, space, or robotics, the technologies shaping tomorrow are already being built today. This is only the beginning.